Today we're looking at how to use carousels on Instagram to create more interest. So this is Lantern and Arts, and as you can see, they are a sort of, home from home, holiday home based in England. And what I absolutely love is that they've used here a carousel to show not only the inside and the outside of their cabins, but also to kind of show, I guess, the kind of experience that you would get once you actually attend. And as you can see, it is opening soon. So this is more of a kind of, one to actually drive bookings and drive interest. So this is real people showing, the real people enjoying themselves. So it gives us a kind of feel on what you would be missing out on if you didn't book. It makes you much more likely to want to book or tag or share with friends because of the carousel, because it shows you a bit of everything here. And the opening soon caption definitely makes you much more interested, because you're like, oh, what's this? Makes you much more excited about it. They've put that it's in Sweffling in Suffolk, so they've put the location, and I think the little emojis just really adds to it. They've put the detail, like it's sleep 6, it's got 3 bedrooms, it's dog friendly, and they've put down all of the detail there. So they've put down, it's open for the 31st of March. It's explaining exactly where it is, that it's for glamping. And that it's complete with proper beds and fire pit and hot showers. If you're traveling in a group, you can book 7 tents. So it kind of gives you all the detail that you might need if you were wanting to book a kind of group glamping experience. And then it even gives you a sort of link to the bio. Visit our website to find out more, link in the bio. So it drives you to actually have a call to action. So all in all, it's just a really great post, but ultimately it starts with the carousel, because on Instagram it is about that show-stopping content, and that definitely makes you want to stop scrolling. Now, if I was these guys, I would want to make sure that my content's working hard for me. So I would want to get my content scheduled in ahead of time in order to really maximize my time and show and give myself, I guess, more time to do more engagement. So go to content calendar on the Maybe platform, and there you can see all the content they've already got scheduled in, and then you can actually add in here to start scheduling in more posts. So you can go in there, click there, and then it might be you want to do one on Twitter, you might want to do one on Facebook or Instagram. It's totally down to them. And what they can do is go on and actually create a new post. So here they would start writing, and then it shows you a preview of what would be coming up on the other side. You can add in media, you can add in emojis, you can tag, and it's now on Instagram as well. You can actually tag in products as well, which is really exciting. It's a really good way of doing it. And you can also tag in location. You can schedule the post, or you can save now as a draft, or you can share it now. So basically, these are the different ways that a business like that can maximize their time, maximize their efforts, get everything scheduled in, and spend more time in doing what they should be doing. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We love to help.